Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Update watchOS and keep your iPhone nearby for pairing. Once done, enable location services and precise location so the watch gets accurate coordinates. Next, open the workout app or maps and select an outdoor activity, outdoor walk, run, or hiking. Press Start. The Series 9 built-in GPS engages even without your phone, but pairing improves data syncing. Make sure the watch fits snugly and the GPS icon appears. This indicates satellites are locked and you're ready to go. You calibrate and optimize GPS next. Walk or run about 20 minutes outdoors with both devices to refine accelerometer and GPS fusion. Once calibrated, make sure power reserve is off and airplane mode is disabled so radios stay active. Wi-Fi helps first fix even when GPS is cold. Use the map's route or set laps in workout for better segment data. Also check background, app refresh for fitness and maps so the watch records continuously. This combination reduces drift and improves pace, and you finish by ending the workout or stopping navigation. Always tap save so the route and GPS track are recorded to fitness and maps. Next, review the route on your iPhone to check distance, pace, and elevation. Export or share if you need third-party analysis. If GPS looks off, reboot the watch, toggle location services and precise location, and recalibrate by repeating an outdoor walk. If problems persist, unpair then repair the watch. That resets location caches and usually restores accurate GPS fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.